Okay, I think that I'm live. I really don't know. This is my first time ever doing a live. I just was playing around to see if it even worked. Let's start at the beginning. Welcome to my channel. I am Daycation Nerd. I have been on YouTube on and off for a while. If you see from my past videos, I like to talk about tech, how to get into tech, how to transition into tech with no experience. I also like to talk about day trips. So, weekend getaways, leaving on Saturday morning, coming back on Sunday, or an all day Saturday trip, or even a weekend trip. So, things like that. Today, I wanted to do a live because I have not been live in a very long time. And I realized that I just wanted to start going back live. I wanted to test out this feature to see if this feature worked. I'm not reading anything. I'm actually looking at another screen because the purpose of this live is basically to study with me. I am learning AI, and there is a free AI program. Well, it's not just an AI program. They offer um, lot of different tech certificates and um, things like that. And the website is itexperience.org. And I have it listed in the description below as well. If you go on there and if you are following along with us today, we're going to be doing the IBM AI fundamentals. And so I'm getting ready right now to click onto that particular site. Now, bear with me because, again, this is my first time doing a live and it's kind of awkward. So, okay, so we're at the itexperience.org. When you get there, you want to click on programs. Once you click on programs, you are going to see where you're able to sign up for this particular program. Now, keep in mind, they offer a lot of different programs. For this particular live, we're doing the AI fundamentals. You can always go back and sign up for additional courses that you see of interest. So I want to also keep in mind that they offer certificates, not certifications. There is a difference between a certification and a certificate. So a certificate to me, and these are just my definitions, but a certificate is just basically saying I have some type of fundamental knowledge of the subject. I like to look for certificates that offer a project component. I don't know if this one does. I really just signed up for this one because it was free and I am learning AI. And a certification is basically saying, I know the fundamentals. I'm able to perform this particular task. I'm certified. You remember back in the day when Kevin Garnett was like, I'm certified. That's where we're at. So on here, once you click on to programs, and the reason why I'm kind of like fiddling my way through is because I'm already signed up with IT Experience, so I get their emails. So when I signed up for the AI fundamentals, it was just straight through the email. So bear with me. So in the middle, they're talking about Google career certificates. Okay, no, we're not talking about that. Um, Okay, so right at the top, we're going to click under, here you go, right here, child. IBM Skills Build Training Program. So as soon as you click on programs, click on IBM Skills Build Training Program, sign up, read through what they have, then you're going to click next. Once you click next, on step number 2 is the application for the cohort. You're going to fill in your information, and then you are going to select, it says to see program curriculum details. So number 10. So on number 10 is going to ask you which program are you interested in? And you're going to, if you're doing this, IBM fundamentals and practice. There are actually like 2 others I'm looking at, but okay, we'll look at those later. And then, you're just going to click fill it out, click next, da, 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 da. Now, I don't know exactly how it's going to look on your end because, again, I didn't go in this way. But also, they are having for this particular cohort, they're having orientation on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, September the 5th. And if you are in Eastern Standard Time, it's going to be at 10 a.m. And it says that the agenda is going to be where you're able to meet instructors and fellow learners. And you're also going to get to know about the AI, what AI is, and the experience, and experience the course. So, okay, so it's basically just like a Q&A, and they're going to kind of go over the program as a whole. So again, once you sign up, you should receive this email. The orientation is going to be on, let me turn this off. Hold on. Thursday, September the 5th. If you're in Eastern Standard Time, it will be at 10 a.m. So let's go ahead and click on the actual link for the IBM. Now I'm trying to figure out where in the world, what did I do with my link? Okay, I think this is my link here. So once you, let me click on it and see. Okay, so you'll get to the ibmskills.org website. I logged in with my email address. So let's log in. Child, let's see. Okay, so once it pulls up, it's going to ask you to enroll. And then the learning path is project-based learning program in AI or artificial intelligence, August 2024. It says that this learning plan consists of 5 sections: artificial intelligence fundamentals, final project, mastering the art of prompting, get your digital credential. Then they're going to have a live session that seems like it's going to be a recording, and then a presentation that's optional. Okay, so it says for start, it says you can start completing the learning plan after the orientation session. This learning plan is self-paced, which means that you are responsible for completing it on time. The deadline, it says the deadline to finish all the required activities in the learning plans is before the closing ceremony. And then it says that you will receive a digital credential after completing all the required activities. Be sure to claim your digital credential. So looks as though they're going to give you a digital badge. So the first module is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Click, can I go? Okay. I'm trying to see how many hours this is going to take to complete because, honey, 5 modules. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's about 10 hours. So just be prepared to block off about 10 hours to complete this particular course. And then it says the final project is another hour. So 11 hours. So it says this program includes completing the final project. You will have 1 week to complete the final project. After the last 4th technical session via the IBM Skills Build platform, you will be able to see your result right after you mark the project as complete. Okay, so this is an 11-hour training. You will receive a badge when you finish, and they have a final project. So this seems like this is a pretty good certificate to complete. I always try to look for certificates that have projects attached to them because remember, when you're in tech, your goal is to build your portfolio. Now, don't get me wrong, there are a lot of people in tech that do not have portfolios. I highly recommend creating your portfolio. If you don't want to create one, that's on you. Or if you get a job through a hookup and you don't feel the need to create one, I would still create one, even if you just take, like for me, like I just do a little bit at a time and try to add to it. And I say that because I was in an interview and out of nowhere, my braid, that braid right there is bothering me. I don't know. Out of nowhere, um, I don't know if they ran out of things to ask or I don't know. But they had me do a presentation as a part of the interview requirement. But then she was like, "Oh, let's take a look at your portfolio." Oh, my neck. Now, what if I didn't have a portfolio? Hello. So always make sure to stay ready, and then you don't have to what? You don't have to get ready, period. So I was real annoyed with that because I was just looking at the lady like, now what if I didn't have a portfolio to show you? So I say that to say, um, don't feel overwhelmed. Start with one feature project and just build from there. You don't have to have a portfolio with 6 and 7, 8 projects. One good feature project will suffice, especially when you're beginning. One project, and yeah. So it looks as though this particular path will be ready after orientation. So I wanted to make sure that everyone was able to log on, select, and also have enough time to receive the follow up email from IT Experience so you're able to kind of study along with me. So, again, it starts after Thursday, September the 5th. So, you have about 5 days to register and make sure that you have your account set up and everything. So next weekend you should be good to go. So I hope this was helpful with learning AI. Again, the IT Experience program, they have a lot of different other certificates available. I am doing the AI certificate because, you know what? Now that I mentioned that, let's go over the certificates. I don't even know all of the ones they have available because I initially signed up with IT Experience to complete their cybersecurity. They had some type of cybersecurity training like last year. I think it was like last year. Um, what other ones do they offer? Let's look. So they offer the IBM Skill Build certificates, and they offer all of the Google certificates. And what else do they offer? And at the bottom, they also offer the IBM Skills. They have a mentorship program. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see what that is. Um, oh, okay. They also offer the Splunk training program. Splunk is very useful if you are interested in learning cybersecurity. Um, Wait a minute. Okay, if you go to the bottom of their website, the last thing they have is the IBM AI courses. You have the option to complete the artificial intelligence fundamental courses to earn an IBM recognized credential or build your own chatbot for your business without coding. Okay, so wait a minute. This is it right here. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so go when you go to their homepage. Oh damn. I need to link. I'm gonna link this in the bottom book. Child. Here you go right here. Which courses are you interested in? Artificial intelligence, build your own chatbot. Okay. Ooh, okay, girl. Okay, child. Yeah, this is it right here. Okay. I'm gonna tag this in the bottom in the description for people who may not watch this entire live, but they also have it listed at the bottom of their programs page. So at the bottom of the programs page, if you if you stroll, is it stroll? Stroll. If you stroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see like this robotic arm or something, but it's right here, IBM AI courses as well. But I don't think it really matters. Let me go back up to the top and click the first one. I think you can do either one. Let me click next and see. Okay, so this one says IBM. So this one is fundamentals and practice. Let's click on the curriculum and see what it says. Let's start there, because therefore we'll be able to see exactly um, which one it is. I don't even see. This is the time I read at. Okay, they don't even have it on here. Okay, so we're not gonna trip on that. Okay, so they do have the IBM fundamentals and practice, but if I were you, I would just click on the one at the bottom of the programs page to make sure you're in the right one. I would just click on the bottom of the programs page under IBM AI courses. Yeah. But now that I'm looking at this, I want to sign up to build your own chatbot. Remember, we're always looking for projects. So, which course are you interested in? Build your own chatbot. Let me read over that one. You have the option to complete the courses to earn this credential or build your own chatbot for your business without coding. I'm gonna sign up for that one as well and see if with the different build your own chatbot. This chatbot course provides a practical introduction that will teach you everything you need to know to plan, build, and deploy your first customer support chatbot. Leveraging the cognitive computing power of IBM Watson Assistant, you will be able to design your own chatbot without the need to write any code. You'll also learn how to quickly deploy your chatbot on WordPress-based sites if you want to learn how to create virtual assistants and perhaps create one for your own business. It's free. This free chatbot course is for you. Okay, yes, I'm going to sign up for this one as well because that definitely is a great project to add to your portfolio. So let's sign up for that one. Now, I don't know. I don't know if I need to use a different email address or not signing up for this one, but we shall see. So I'm going to sign up for using my same email address. If I don't receive a confirmation email, then I'll just use an alternative email address. Are you interested in career conversation, mentorship in any of this field? Yeah. Well, no, not at the moment. Well, I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna say yes. I'll say yes. So now let's click submit. Okay, so it says thank you. So let me go to my email and see if they sent a confirmation. It may take a while. Thank you for contacting us. We'll be in touch with you shortly. So we'll see. If I don't receive anything back by, I would say probably maybe like Monday or Tuesday, I'll just use another email address because it looks as though it doesn't have a deadline. So yeah. So again, this is a really good program. If I were you, I would definitely take advantage of it. Again, the website is itexperience.org. And yeah, let's look at this one. So the Splunk is 22 single subject courses that are 3 hours or less. Subject focused on the information you specifically need to be successful. This is just like a little, what do you call it? Docs form. Okay, so I think that this is something that you definitely should take a look at. Somebody is texting me. Who is this? Okay, never mind. But anyway, just wanted to see if this live feature actually works. Now that I see it may work, I don't know for sure. I'm going to post this video, see if it uploads properly. If it does upload properly, I definitely will be going live probably every other day or at least a few times a week. I prefer to do lives because I don't have to think about what I'm going to talk about. I don't have to write a script. And to me, it's easier and it's more convenient. If you have any questions, um, please feel free to drop them in the comments. If you have not watched any of my past videos, please make sure to take a look at those, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so if you need any information about how to get into tech, um, or any information about free programs that are available to you, please let me know. If you are not familiar with my channel, I transitioned from education into tech about 2 years ago. And even though I haven't been in tech a very long time, I have learned and observed a lot. And I plan to talk about that in the lives and in the videos and posts and things like that because, oh, child, it's a whole nother world. And there are a lot of things that people don't talk about. Yeah, so I hope this was helpful. I will catch you in the next one. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you probably next week. Peace.